It's Tonym Morganem of the Masterful Engineer program, and today's problem is electrical problem on the hot water. And we've got a S-plan. We've got two zone valves here. The nearest one to the pump is the hot water one, and that's a problem. The customer's saying they're getting no hot water. So what I've done, I've carried out some tests, and we're going to look a bit closer into what I've done. So this is live, power's on. Now, the first thing I did, you can see the cylinder thermostat, and the red wire is the common. So that common comes from the programmer. I've tested there on the red, and I went on the neutral, which is there. You can see the N on the blue. Went across there with the multimeter and got 240 volts, so that's okay. What I then did, I checked on the cylinder thermostat on the yellow. Now I was getting 240 volts there. That means, if it's like that, it means the thermostat is satisfied, and you won't get no power to the brown, which is the zone valve, which is here on the mid position valve. Now if you look where the yellow wire, yellow and green wire is, that's where the brown should have went. There's no power coming out of there. That then in turn makes the zone valve open and activate and start the boiler and pump. So what I thought, it must be a cylinder thermostat problem. So I've replaced the cylinder thermostat, and it's made no difference. So what I did, I went back over here to the mid position connection. Now the brown was in the second one down from the yellow and green reserve. I've put the brown in the grey set connection, which is a permanent live. The grey is permanent live to give power on the brown. That now is putting power to the brown, making the valve open. Oh, just dropped something, making the valve open, and now it's working. So that means that the motorised valve's okay, the pump's working, the boiler's working. So the problem must be the blue wire, what you can see, that is the one what calls for heat from the cylinder thermostat. That goes into this unit, this wiring centre, goes through the wiring centre, and then comes back out on the brown, which is the one which is missing from the second one down, and that's the one what puts power to the motorised valve. So I reckon there's no power going through the circuitry in this, and this wiring centre is the problem. So if you come across this problem, I'd like to hear your comments. If you like this video, just give us a like, and also you can subscribe to our channel. So I'll see you on the next video, and thank you for watching.